Jonas, and this video is all about important terms review, but always like in French terms. That always I focus because we want to be a chef, right? So French is like the base. So interesting here is I got all bakery terms in this video, and I'm gonna start with the same bakery stuff. So who are my friends are like doing the bakery course, for them it's really a great, I can say, helpful for you guys to understand about the terms and use those terms when you really go for the cooking, right? Where you generally do for the bakery stuff. So let me tell you about these things. I do like in a hot kitchen and this bakery, right? So previously I was doing the hot kitchen, but now I'm going to be mix and match. Gonna mix and match a bit, like sometimes bakery stuff, sometimes hot kitchen stuff, because all the terms are important, so we just can't leave it any of things, right? So welcome to my channel, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can have already get a notification when I'm going to put a new video. And I'm going to come up with a lot of interesting terms where you never heard maybe, because I'm going through a lot of books. So definitely I'll bring a lot of interesting terms which really going to make you feel like in a chef, you know, that you know about the terms, just like a professional chef. So before wasting time, let's see that what exactly first term what we have is acid. You know, basically everybody knows what exactly acid means, but let me just elaborate a bit for you. There's going to be lemon juice, citrus juice, vinegar, or cream of tart. A cream of tartar, right? So let's see. Food acids are the additive that make flavor sharper and also act as preservatives and oxidants, right? Common food acids including vinegar, citrus acid, tartaric acid, malic acid, folic acid, and fumaric acid and lactic acid. So you can see that we know only one thing, like when we ask to anyone like what kind of acids you know, we say only vinegar and the second thing is lemon, right? That only two that we know. But see, check it out, these things. We have plenty others actually that we've never been heard about it, right? So this is all about something interesting, quick and easy to like, can I say, no need to mug up, right? Just understand this all things and kind of acids that what we have, right? Let's go to the second slide. What we have is Aerate, right? Oh yes. So this is like to incorporate air or carbon dioxide during production to make the production more digestible and increase in volume. You understand what exactly it means? When we do whisking any of a cream, it get double, right? So what exactly we're doing actually is like oxidizing it. So the air is coming up and it's going to be double of it. So there's a lot of air in that. So that's the reason that we are mixing the air with that whipped cream. So when we just mix it, it's going to be double because the air is getting involved inside, right? This is the process which is air is circulated through mixing with and dissolving in a liquid or substance. I hope you got it right. Aerate. So it means I can say like if you see the aerate, you never will know about what exactly it means. But when you just go through with it once, so never you're never going to forget this, right? What exactly is aerate means. That's great. It's all about like double when we just mix it some of things, right? When we you can say like albumin, right? The egg white. That's called albumin. When we just mix it with a fork, and that is the best way to mix the fork, right? If you don't have a whisk. So when you don't have a whisk, so you have to use a fork. So when you beat it very well, so it get double because it's going to be like the air is involving it, right? So it get raised. So what the quantity is going to be double of it. That's the means of aerate. Let's go to the next word that we have is aspic, right? Let's see, is savory jelly. Actually, people say it's savory jelly. So let me tell you what exactly it means. A savory jelly made with a meat stock set in a mold and used to contain piece of meat, seafood or eggs, right? So when we just like keep in a one mold, so definitely mold means what? It's like giving a shape to some of things, and jelly means what? It's going to be take a shape. So definitely we can keep a mold. So in that only the piece of meat or seafood or egg we just try to put it inside. So when it's come set, when we take it out, so it will become inside. So everything will be like stuffed, right? Aspic is a dish in which the ingredients are said to be in a gelatin made from a meat stock or consomme. Non-savory dishes, like often made with a commercial gelatin mixed without stock or consomme, are usually called as a jello salad. Okay, let me just tell you about this, what exactly it means. There's a can I say like non-veg, one is veg, right? So for non-veg, the bone itself has a jello, I can say a gelatin, right? It's a natural gelatin which is there in the bone itself. So when we make it stock, and because we're using a lot of bones inside, you know the bones, right? If you don't know about stock, please go my previous video which is all about stock. I just gone through every single point. If you understand that stock means you can understand every single thing about related to the stock things, right? So the non-veg, which is completely veg jello, where we use a jello like gelatin, which is like agar-agar. This all things like no animal, say like no to animal gelatins, no. So that is like we make from the artificial gelatins. But the veg, when the non-veg comes, it's all about like in a pure gelatin, which is all comes from the bone itself, because it's a natural gelatin. So that's the reason sometimes stock, when you just keep in a temperature, in a cold temperature for something rest, used for the week or whole week, so it automatically get in the jello form. I hope you understand, right? So when you're going to work in the kitchen, you please try to figure it out when the stock is kept inside the temperature, to maintain the temperature, and overnight you kept, and when you're just coming up with it, coming through with it, the same bucket of the stock that what you just kept inside it overnight, it be gonna be like a jello, not exactly the liquid, because it's never gonna, because the water is gonna be formed in ice but not a jelly, right? But jelly, why? Is because it contains gelatin, the bone gelatin, but that's the reason it's called aspic, right? Let's go to another one. So here we have is Bain-marie. So let me tell you what exactly it means. The pan of hot water on which a container is placed for slow cooking, warming, allowing for warming or cooking, allowing for indirect heat. It's kind of, I think, so double of the same thing, but let me just explain you that what exactly it means. It's also known as a water bath or double boiler, a type of a heated bath in a piece of equipment used in the science industry and cooking to heat material gently and gradually to fix temperatures or to keep materials warm over a period of time. Let me just give you some examples so that it's a better way that you can understand and in a quick way. So you know, like chef and dish, right? The people who don't know that what exactly chef and dish means, let me just explain you. When you go for the buffet, right? When you go to the hotels to have the buffet dinner, that moment you see everything like in a silver, like in a big stuff kind of thing. They're putting the food over there loaded, already like a food are loaded inside, and we just go and serve to ourselves. So that particular thing, that where the food are being kept, those are called chef and dish, right? That chef and dish, what exactly, how the things get warm in that. It's not about something magic that it's been completely warm. There's something candle it been down, right? I hope you saw some of like a fires or some of the heaters top at the bottom of that. Some heaters have been kept. So what the heater does actually, the heater, before they touch the surface of the food, between there is a layer of water. So what exactly, so water get heat and that vapors touch the food, and that when that vapor touch the food, the surface of that platter or anything that was just served it, the chef and dish, so they start heating up. So not exactly heating up, that's the wrong word, they start warming up. And that's the reason that what we say here is cooking, like slow cooking or warming. So that's a simple Bain-marie. It's about warming up to keep the things warm for a longer period. So I hope you understand all the 4 terms that what I have today for you guys. And thank you for watching. I must say, please do watch, subscribe the channel, and hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you'll get updated when I'm going to put a new video regarding the same, the new terms like French terms, which is very important to understand, because this is like all professional words, right? That's what I'm getting from top professional books. So I'm just giving my lot of efforts to this to get a lot of terms and to share with you. All about like sharing and scaling. So please do learn, do watch and share with the other people so they can learn, and they want to be and everyone who want to be a professional chef, right, who are coming to this field. So end up now. So see you with the next video, right? Till then, bye bye.